Hi guys, good morning. So it's another day, the next day after I moved, and I'm just trying to sort I'm trying to sort out my outfit. So I want to arrange some of my clothes into the wardrobe. Goodness, I still have a lot of work to do. Let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so I need to sort these clothes into the wardrobe, and I started already. So I put some tops in here, then I want to put skirts, tracks, and every bottoms down here. Then I want to put my shoes and slippers here. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today, arranging all of this into their appropriate places. I'm so tired. So I'm done with filling the tops and the bottoms. So right now I just want to fill in my shoes and slippers here. So I'm done with filling this side. So yeah, that's it. I still have some shoes, but I think I'm just going to put them on top here. So I need to clear up the kitchen space. So I want to wash the dishes first and wash this so that as I'm washing the dishes, I'm putting it back into it. So I'm done with this side now. Then this is what it's looking like. It's looking organized to an extent. So now I want to clear out this area, then move the floors. Yeah, we're making progress. This is 11:11 and I've been arranging since I woke up around 7:30. I'm tired. I think I'm going to take a break right now, then continue some minutes after. So right now I'm done clearing out the kitchen area, and this is what I've arranged this place to be. I know it's still not the best, but at least it's better than how it was before. And yeah, I just have some items I want to cook later, so I just arranged them. Hi guys, so I'm done with the whole arranging and everything. Goodness, after all of this, I need to treat myself to something really nice. So I ordered for chicken and chips from Hot Soup, and that's what I'll have first. But before that, I want to have my bed. I need to arrange the bedroom too, but I don't know my strength. I think I should just do it now. I know that there's nothing left for me to do again, right? That's how I just need to arrange it. I know that there's nothing left again. I don't like the way this bag is looking here. We'll find something to do about it. Okay, let me show you guys how everywhere is looking right now. So this is what it's looking like. I moved those boxes outside to the balcony. So when the guy brings the bed frame, I'll just move them under the bed. Yeah. So I just finished cleaning the bathroom and taking my bath. Right now I'm waiting for the chicken and chips. Then after eating, I would make the stew I want to make and plan out some things that I need to get done this week. Anyway, that's the update for now. See you guys when I'm cooking. I just picked up my food from Hot Soup. Going to eat and watch a YouTube video. I tried fixing this LED light on the wall, but I don't know how it's going to work, because the man that where I bought it from, the man said I can use super glue, but it's not working, so I don't know what to do now. Hi guys, so I'm going to pick up the bed frame now. Hopefully there's no story and it comes back home with me, so when we get there we'll see how it goes. I still not made my stew. Goodness gracious, I really don't feel like eating it again, that's why, but I still have to do it, probably when I get back this night. Yeah, so let's be on our way now. I also want to grab up. I also want to grab some things I forgot at my former place too. So that's why I carry the tote bag with me. Let's go. So guys, the bed frame came with me and we want to arrange it back. So what do they call it? To assemble it together. Yes, so we can put the mattress on it. We'll see how that goes. So yeah, the story time for this bed frame is not yet, but when we're done, that's when I'll talk about it. In the meantime, this is what this is looking like. What do you guys think about it? I just put the bed sheet now, so this is what it's looking like. There's not much allowance at the sides to tuck in the bed sheet very well. It's quite tight. I don't know, maybe as time goes on the space will be more, or I don't know, I really don't know. So it's currently 10:40 and I'm trying to make dinner. I usually don't eat this late. In fact, once it's after 9 or 10, I really don't eat like that. But I don't know, I've not really had a proper meal and I want to make toast bread with this. So I just watched a tutorial on grilled sandwich on Ife's kitchen. So I want to try it out. I have my boiled eggs here. Just need to break them and add my sardines. So I want to smash the eggs. It's time to add the sardine. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my. And now I'm going in with mayonnaise. Now I'm pouring in my mixture. So here's my bread, country bread from Country Kitchen. So this is what it's looking like at the moment. I've buttered everything, so now it's time to toast. So now I'll be adding the first set. To eat, let's go dig in. I can't wait to taste this.